What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's gonna be the final video of this fan because I hope to take it down soon and replace it with a Hampton Bay Huntington 3. This fan is like really noisy and really wobbly, and it rattles like a lot, which is like really annoying. It makes you think it's gonna like fall down or something. So it's about time I replace this thing soon. Hopefully this spring break. So yeah, here's the light. It's on a spotlight kit. And I added these basketball pole chains because I think they look cool. Plus it's my favorite sport. So yeah, let's go high speed first. High speed's like blows a lot of air, and as you can see, it's very noisy. The airflow is very, very good, and the capacitor is like really powerful. But this thing is very rickety and noisy, which is not good. Let's turn it down to medium before it falls. Medium's okay. It clicks a lot, but it still has pretty good airflow. It's probably the fastest speed I trust it on. Now here's low. Where's the speed I mostly keep it on? The clicking gets less aggressive, which is good, but in the low is like really fast. Kind of looks like medium or medium low, because the speeds are like very fast on this fan. So yeah, and let me turn it off now. So yeah, that's it. Might turn the light on. Also, I put hanging lights in the back of my room, which look really good. We had some extra Christmas lights, so I put them in there because I thought they would look good. I gotta admit, this fan's airflow is very, very powerful and good, but the most downside is the clicking and the wobbling, which makes me not really want it anymore. But if it is installed securely, then yeah, it's a very good fan. Anyways, that's it for today's video. See y'all next time. Have a good day.